Welcome to my English garden, where the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and of course, I built a PC. British weather strikes again, but thankfully we're nearly finished, and let's tidy up the rest of this build inside. Building a PC outside was invigorating. Really brought me back to nature, you know, like, this is what it's all about, man. Open your mind, touch grass, and build your PC here. So this is my series Build Lab, where I show off lots of different PC builds, the different performances and the different caveats that you get when you use different parts. Today I have a slightly weird build in that I'm using a 4070 Ti Super. There's a little bit of a story here. Basically, I had a faulty 4070 Ti Super. I then had to return it to Gigabyte because obviously it wasn't working. It took them 60 days to return this to me, and they actually ended up just giving me a different model entirely. So that took ages, and it put the whole thing on the back burner. And then I realised that somehow I'd damaged the front panel of the case, so I had to get a front panel replacement. Thankfully, Antec actually turned that round in just a few days, and they didn't even charge me even though it was my fault, so I was very happy with that.
The performance of the 4070 Ti Super, it's going to be somewhere between the 5070 and the 5070 Ti, so don't always have to be on the latest stuff to get great performance, and you've got 16GB of VRAM. Personally, I'd have the 4070 Ti Super over the 5070 any day of the week, and I think that's still excellent performance. You don't always need the latest stuff. But what about the case? Antec Flux, it's my first time using this case. It's kind of got a standard look. I mean, Antec aren't really very cool, are they? They're just very functional and they work well, which is fine, but people care about the aesthetics. The build quality is excellent, I can't fault it. The temperatures were great, the fans are included are great, the mesh is great. Overall, it's a really, really nice case. It's definitely a case for grown-ups, but for me it just needs a little bit of a special something, a little bit of special sauce to make it nicer. The Flux is classic Antec, very competent, but not very sexy. If you enjoyed this build, hit subscribe for more Build Lab, indoors probably next time, and let me know in the comments, would you ever build your PC outside, or am I just an idiot?
Expand.